I feel you burn all over me.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Earlier this year at CES 2025, I covered Rokid's booth and tested their AR ecosystem for the first time. It was an introduction to how far the company has pushed spatial computing, and it left a strong impression. Today, the focus shifts to something different. These are the Rokid AI Glasses Style. They look like regular sunglasses but work as a lightweight AI tool worn throughout the day. And real world testing shows how they fit into daily use.
All I wanna do is let myself right next to you. I don't need a few more refuse to touch on you.
Rokid AI Glasses Style is designed as everyday eyewear with an integrated AI system inside a 38.5 gram TR90 polymer titanium frame. The glasses include a built-in AI assistant powered by the ChatGPT 5.0 model, real-time translation across 6 offline and 89 online languages. A 12 megapixel Sony IMX681 camera with EIS stabilization, dual near-ear directional speakers, and a quad mic noise reduction array. Power comes from a 210 mAh internal battery for long outings or recording sessions. The design keeps everything lightweight and simple while holding the full set of features. The AI assistant supports questions, task handling, and quick references through voice interaction, which helps during movement or multitasking. Translation performance is useful when navigating unfamiliar areas, especially when reading road signs or posted information. The 12 megapixel camera's EIS stabilization maintains smooth POV footage during walking or cycling, allowing moments to be recorded with a steady perspective. Audio performance stays focused through directional speakers, and the quad mic array preserves clear voice input even in active surroundings. With the functional behavior outlined, the review shifts into real life situations that demonstrate these elements clearly. Me, my girlfriend, and our workmates here in this studio, we all have tried this Rokid AI Glasses Style. Actually, I like the name. It's long, but feels like the name is a mouthful. During a walk through a busy street, the glasses translate road signs into English without interrupting the pace. The text appears quickly and helps with simple navigation. Yeah, I have been enjoying these AI glasses even during quiet moments at a coffee store, settling into the day with them in a natural way. My girlfriend Eva wears the Rokid AI Glasses Style at work and across different hours and different tasks. Rokid AI Glasses Style keeps delivering with steady performance and in style. Well, even Marlon, one of our editors here in the studio, takes the Rokid AI Glasses Style with him on cycling days. For him, they have become part of the ride, slapping into the flow without needing any effort. Truly, on a cycling path, the glasses record a steady POV clip as the EIS system absorbs small vibrations. The lightweight frame stays secure, keeping the footage smooth while the ride continues normally. During a commute, a short voice prompt provides basic updates like weather or timing. The response plays quietly through the directional speakers, blending into the environment. Hi Rokid, what's the weather today?
It's a mild day in London with partly cloudy skies and comfortable temperatures around 11. The wind is light from the south, and humidity is relatively high at 82%. No precipitation is currently reported.
Oh, right. Another thing worth mentioning. Using Rokid AI Glasses Style for quick phone calls in busy areas or crowded spaces feels much easier than relying on phone speakers. The quad mic setup lowers the background sound by a good margin, keeping short conversations clear and manageable.
What's your name?
My name is Wyman.
Where are you from?
I'm from China.
Do you have wife or kids?
A kid, a boy.
Oh, okay. What you gonna do after work?
Rokid AI Glasses Style supports multiple aspect ratios, including 3x4, 4x3, and 9x16. Well, now let's talk about why I chose these glasses. Rokid has released 8 generations of consumer AR products and is the only AR focused company with technology used on the space station. Yeah, that's true. You can search on Google. The AI glasses style reflects that experience by offering a compact design, translation tools, stabilized POV recording, and dependable audio performance. These traits make the glasses suitable for travel, simple documentation, and hands free daily tasks. Compared with Rocket glasses, this style edition provides the same intelligence in a lighter and more accessible package at roughly half the price. Yeah, you have heard it correctly, half the price. This option works well for users who prefer AI functions without the additional layer of AR displays. Rocket AI Glasses Style fits people who want lightweight, stylish AI glasses for daily use, while Rocket Glasses suit users who need full-featured AI and AR capabilities for more advanced tasks. Yeah, Rocket has spent more than a decade developing AR hardware, spatial computing technologies, and a vertically integrated ecosystem. Their CES 2025 showcase illustrated steady engineering progress and a long term direction for wearable tools. But for now, the Rocket AI Glasses style is the one that lands in the sweet spot. Strong performance with a value for money tag that actually makes sense.
I feel you burn all over me.
Rokid AI Glasses Style offers interchangeable lenses, including tinted and photochromic options with custom prescription support for use. Yeah, I have left a link to this Rokid AI Glasses Style in the description box. Go ahead, check this product. And you may even able to get some discount using the discount codes. Well, before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.